We can't tell Makhumalo like Mangwabe and Mayeni to stay on that marriage. Mangwabe and Mayeni, they can stay on that marriage because Msamseleku loved them. But when it comes to Makhumalo, Makhumalo was not being loved by Musamseleku. It's better Makhumalo to leave that marriage. And because of drama, there is more drama with Musamseleku's wives. On other side is Mayeni, on other side is Macele, and Musamseleku is fighting Makhumalo again. I don't think that Makhumalo can stay on that marriage. It's better Makhumalo to be single and lonely. It's better than Makhumalo to have more stress, depression because of your marriage with Musamseleku's wives and Musamseleku. Musamseleku can fight for his wives with Makhumalo. I don't think Makhumalo can stay. But Mangwabe and Mayeni, they can stay because Musamseleku loved them. They can never find a man who loved them like Musamseleku. But Makhumalo, Musamseleku is not in love with Makhumalo. Makhumalo have to pack her bags in Muzumbe and leave Muzumbe forever. We don't want to lie to that woman that you have to stay. You will never find a man who loves you like Musamseleku. Musamseleku never loved Makhumalo. The person who can leave that marriage is Makhumalo because Makhumalo can wake up at 3 a.m. She have got a stress. Imagine. It's better Makhumalo to have a peace of mind. Even she is lonely or what. Other women are single, guys. Most of the women, they can be single the rest of their lives. Even she can't find another man who can marry her, it's okay, but she is stress free.